You can take your time, like you don't need to rush it. Normally I wouldn't do this process first. I'll do the GPU installing last, but for the sake of everyone who's trying to learn how to install a GPU, if you're building a PC, this will definitely help. So it should, and just a little nudge, nothing too hard, but like a little push can just help with it. And then you get these 2 screws that I did show you guys previously, and then you should have some holes where you actually screw in the screws, and it keeps the GPU in place so it doesn't sag like this right here. You see how it's like that? So normally it's going to be straight, lined up, and really good looking.